Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Chappell Roan's night look on Dress to Impress. Now I did use VIP items for this. Why did I just remove the hair? But let's get started with the hair. I did use this in this color. I accidentally removed it 6C1900, and then I used this updo bangs, this one in bangs only. Where is it? This one in the same color. And then I also used the two pigtails, the bangs as well there. This one in bangs only. For the headband, I did use a VIP item in this color, 9F, 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 and these adjustments. Position the Y to 0.54, Z 0.37, rotate the X to 1. And for the actual outfit itself, why did I get out of VIP again? I'm not sure. You need this. You need all of it actually. Turn off garments and color it this color, I think, first. Or was it this one? This one. And then this darker one. And then I think I did the darker one again. Then grab this and color it the same as that. And then get this and then color it the same first here. And then the darker one and the darker gray as well. And then the darker gray in a silk toggle. Lastly, we just need to add in the mesh top for just a little bit of chains effect here in this gray color and thick. I think I did maybe this actually in that darker gray color. I don't know if it's gonna work with these. I don't know if it's gonna show. I don't think it will show, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, that is it. Oh, one more. You'll need the sword for extra prop. And I'm just going to color the third and fourth toggle a darker gray here. And yeah, that is it. You can add chains to the hair using earrings, but I prefer not to. It just takes a long time. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!